What is it? What is it? You know what that is?
Yeah.
What?
Crab.
A crab. Oh man, I hope it doesn't bite me.
No.
Ah! You know this.
That's my cozy one. How do I sleeping?
Oh, it's a cozy one to sleeping in.
Yeah.
You know that's from Navy Boat Papa and Grammy.
Let's read the card.
Okay, let's read the card.
I don't watch you.
Oh no, go back over there, buddy.
Okay.
It says, hope you like it. If not, pass it on. Love, Navy Boat Papa and Grammy. Okay, open more. See what else is in there.
Yeah.
That's for Mommy. See what else is in there.
Okay. In here?
No, in that box.
What's in
What's that?
that?
It's a lobster.
Yeah, what's that one come from?
It comes from the ocean. They live in the ocean.
Oh.
Yeah, they can bite you.
A bite the ocean, a bite the dirt, and a rock too.
Yep. Or you can eat them. They're yummies.
Oh. He eat my leg too.
Okay, say bye, Navy Boat Papa.
Bye, Ladybug Papa.
Bye, Grammy.
Bye, Grammy.
I love you.
I love you.